Good morning, scientists. So here we are doing science online. It's a lot quieter doing science online than doing it in the classroom with all of you sweet, sassy selves. So I want to just go through quickly how this is going to work. So every day you will see, like normal, you'll see your Happy Wednesday screen with the warm-up and the events and your homework. Hopefully you're all seeing my little face there, filled with love. I sent you a document in Google Classroom that's going to tell you kind of how we're going to be doing this every day. So today, what we're going to do is we are going to get your new warm-up sheet. We're going to start all over with the warm-up sheets. So if you forgot how to do that, you'll go to Google Classroom under the warm-up topic, and you will make a new sheet. So you will title this warm-up week March 25th to March 27th. Now the cool thing about this is at any time, if you need to pause the video when I'm talking, you can just pause it, do what you need to do, and then restart it. How cool is that? You will see, I'm going to go ahead and go to Google Classroom. The way I'm going to set everything up in Google Classroom, you'll see it in your stream, but if you need to go back, since we're still in the circulatory system, you remember that, right? That we were studying the circulatory system. Wasn't that long ago. But I haven't posted anything yet. I'm not going to post until tomorrow. I'm going to post one day at a time. But you'll see I have them all set to go. So I'm going to circulatory system, and you'll see that I have it laid out that the assignment is going to be posted or titled by the day. So for today, which is Wednesday, but I'm doing this on Tuesday, you'll open the Wednesday, March 25th daily plan. If there's a video on this day, watch the video first. But then you'll need to follow the steps on the day because it's going to list in order, step by step, what you're going to do for the day. And then all of the resources that you're going to need are going to be attached to this day. Everything that that you need, I'll attach, or you've already got. For example, you've already got the book pages for chapter 13. You've already got your homework packet. So that you've already got. I won't attach that if it's something that you already have. So for today, you will need to open your warm-up sheet. And the warm-up for today is draw the heart and name the chambers. So those 4 chambers and the valves. It's been a while since you've done this, so it might be kind of hard to remember. Now at this point, I want you to pause because I want you to do the warm-up. Just take about 1 minute to do the warm-up. Now you're going to pause, but I'm not because I don't want this video to be, 40 minutes long. So I'm going to go ahead and give you the answer. So if you were drawing the heart, yours might look like this. Some of yours actually might look better. But here are the valves. So the right atrium, the right ventricle. Notice facing it, it's on the left side. The left atrium and the left ventricle. So those are the chambers. You didn't have to label all of the rest of that. When it's asking for the chambers, you just need to list the atria and the ventricles. The valves, you can see the arrows pointing to the tricuspid valve, and then the bicuspid valve. And then if you're really advanced and have a great memory, you can see where the aortic valve is and the pulmonic valve. Okay, next in Google Classroom. So you've done the warm-up question. Number 2 is saying, open the circulatory system structure and function packet, which is right here. You are to do the questions and the diagram that they're talking about, which are on the last 2 pages. This is going to be due Thursday at 10 a.m. Everything I assign to you is not going to be due until 10 a.m. the next day. How cool is that? Now, one difference is typically we're going to have a regular Monday, a regular Tuesday. Wednesday is going to be everybody's block day. And what I assign on Wednesday won't be due until Friday. So 4th hour, your block day is going to be Wednesday now. This first week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are all just regular days. So this assignment will be due tomorrow by 10 a.m. in Shobi. We're going to do everything the same way. I'm going to send out everything you need through Google Classroom. You're going to turn in everything in Shobi. So it's just going to be like we've always done. Now, for your assignment, so there's the answer key. So your assignment that you're going to be reading is called Circulatory System, Structure, and Function. So you're going to be reading this, and as you're reading, you are going to see that you are going to come to a stop to think number 1 question. When you get to the stop to think, you're going to go to page 6. So you are going to scroll to where you're going to fill in the answers. So right here, page 6, this is where you'll do the answering. So here it says on student sheet 11.1, the heart diagram, which is actually on this page. Label the left and right side of the heart. Use your finger to trace the flow of blood through the right side of the heart. Notice where the blood is coming from and where it's going to. Then repeat the process for the left side of the heart. So you'll notice you're going to keep reading, and then you'll get to a stop to think number 2. When you get to that stop to think, you'll go back to the stop to think page and answer those questions. And for these questions, I am completely fine with you collaborating. I'll let you know when there's something I want you to do on your own. But for these stop to think questions, if you want to phone a friend, if you want to talk to, your 5-year-old brother in the house, who knows? Might have some great input and ideas, but I'm completely fine with you collaborating on this. So you'll continue the reading until you get to these pages, and then you will answer the question. You'll notice here, like I said, when you're looking at the heart, the left side is actually on the right side, and the right side is on the left side. Remember I said it's like the sides are as though the heart is in you. It's been a while since we've talked about this, so I know it can get a little confusing. Okay, I think that's it. The only other thing that I was going to say is occasionally I'm going to post some questions. If you have questions, feel free to post them on Google Classroom. I'd prefer that most of your questions come on Google Classroom. It'll just be easier for me to manage that. And I will be checking from 10 to 3 at the top of the hour. So at 11 o'clock, I'll do a check. At 12 o'clock, I'll check just to make sure that you don't have any questions. And also, feel free to post a question like you guys did on that study day, and you were answering each other's questions. That's great. And I'll check those too, just to make sure your answers are right. Okay, I think that's all you need for this first day. I'm praying for you. I miss you. You also today might want to look, because it is a block day, and there just might be an email waiting for you. Have a great day. Love you.